You alright?
I was in the air for like freaking, it felt like ever. TeamAlleyCats here, and we're going to teach you how to camp if you're in the middle of nowhere. Gotta grab all these sticks, put them all in one area.
Right, okay,
Break
we'll
this.
do this. So, welcome to my shed. I kind of let it get a little run down. This used to be HQ, you know. Well, now it's not HQ, so we're gonna do a TAC vote. Oh, should I keep the shed or should I give up the shed? Both iCards are gonna be at the top, and that's gonna be a fan vote. That's either gonna be either I'm gonna make a video on it, or it's just gonna be a fan vote. But anyways, we're gonna go to the hood because Cat 1 is taking too long.
We did have something, but some of our branches were alive, so it kind of sucks. Alright, I'm gonna try to catch a flame here and try to get this thing cooking.
We're gonna go down to the hood and play with the big kids. I hope I don't have to call my brother. So we're down at the hood again, right? And we're gonna. There's no kids here. There used to be a Ninja Turtle. They used to come around here and we used to wreck them. But you know, he doesn't come here anymore. It's like 3 a.m. You know, 3 a.m. hood survival. But you know, that's just kind of how it rolls. Wrong moment.
Use this?
No, it's pretty sure Techno and Mingo just died.
So we smell some garbage over here, and honestly, I don't believe in ghosts, but it's kind of getting spooky.
Bro, there's actually gunshots happening right now, but yeah, we built a fire. You know, we cooking. Charcoal, cardboard, some dead twigs. If you want it bigger, you know, use that kind of stuff. It did just rain, so this is all kind of drying out. And yeah, that's pretty much how you start a fire.
I don't even know where we are anymore. We're like decades away from the hood now, and it's like
Jesus Christ.
yeah, it's like Rand
There
Canyon.
you go. Oh!
It's like Casper's gonna come out, man. But all right, we should probably go back.
Oh my gosh, do you see that?
Oh my god, but we got. All right, let's go this way.
Yep. You see that? Why are we recording it like that? Oh my god.
Yeah, well, like, I feel, I don't know if I should call it Casper, but it's like, it was, okay, but so like,
You need your basketball?
oh, I'll make a distraction. Look, what'd you see?
Dude, he's coming.
Oh my god! Okay,
This is perfect. Team AlleyCats right here coming back together. Hood 2. Look, way more peaceful. We did this.
Who knows what's going on with
I heard gunshots.
Techno and Flamingo.
No, we kind of want it to die out. We don't want it to be, you know. They're running. They're actually running.
So wait.
I think we're safe now.
Yeah. But so what pretty much happened was it smelled like complete trash. But okay, I don't know if it's just because like really late. I'm just like dizzy or whatever, like sleepy. But like that light looked like something, right? You saw it too. I was like, that's so dumb. We just came here to build a fire and sleep in the RV.
But yeah, this is the step one, building a fire. Step 2 would be proceeding to cook hot dogs and stuff over it, but that's if
Not
you had
hot
like
dogs.
well, marshmallows, hot
Yeah.
dogs,
Hot dogs would be harder.
Well, it'd be harder, but you know. Well,
Let's see if they come back with a gunshot.
yeah, let's see if one will come back wounded or not. Maybe we can throw something in there to keep it going for a little bit longer. Nah, I pretty much killed it at this point.
Well, we have proof. We have proof that it was going.
We have Cat 1 soothing the fire, and Merc looking like a peanut.
Oh wait, maybe it'll catch a flame. No, we actually do have proof. It was big.
Sure.
This might do the trick. Hold on. Let's see if this actually catches it. Hold on. Don't throw anything on it. It might start catching the wood on fire. That might just be enough. Oh, dang. Hold on. Back off. Everybody back. Look at that crap. Look at what that looks like on camera.
No smoke, kids.
Dude, what the heck? On camera, that actually looks insane.
Jesus Christ.
Cover video, maybe? Hey, AlleyCats, welcome to the Alley Camper. We kind of have some rigged up stuff here. Kind of using what we got.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it is actually dead now. We got some rigged up stuff here, broken lamps, but you know. Good. All right.
Gamer moment!
What? Clip that. Freaking clip ninja. Okay. So we got a fridge, you know, it's nothing too special. So step 2 would be get a secure shelter. If you don't have a camper like this, a tent will do, or you could even build your own, go like full on natural mode. And in the future we may record something, or I may record something for you AlleyCats to teach you how to. This is our crappy bathroom. Smells like it. Like Pennywise lived in here. Why is there like pink slime down there? I'm co-pilot, so I sit in the front there. Techno's quarters is up there. And then, I don't know, Merc, do you have a place? Just this couch? Okay. But, I don't know what those gunshots were, so we're gonna keep a, like, low-key profile here. We don't want to draw too much attention. We got a light down there, we got lights here. Lights in the back, I guess this lights up the back camper. This doesn't lock, so that's kind of scary. But, let me get in the front. Here. I got it. Maybe we can turn on a light here. And then back up underneath that. No. Oh, that works better.
The heck was that? Yeah.
Oh, dang, okay. Look at that. Alright. We got a TV back here. It's not useful for really much because we don't have anything hooked up to it, but now it could be useful for something. Flip the camera here. Oh God! No, that's not what's supposed to. Okay, hold on. We might have to improvise with this. You look like those FNAF SFMs where like the night guard's just a flashlight.
Oh my God! What's going on? What's going on, TeamAlleyCats? Mango here.
Put it in the corner here.
Oh
After all of that, hold on.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
This is like a freaking horror movie.
Wait, we can set it here. No, I know what you're doing. That's gonna be so bright. The reason why. No. You're like breaking the. Hold on.
It's like, what's happening?
Her white. Ah! It shocked me.
Our white is killing Cat 1. Well, it's like, seriously, like, what's happening?
Actually, though, it's broken now.
I saw that. Oh my god.
What?
Jesus.
That just killed the phone. Did you?
It just.
Did you get
Oh,
that on camera?
no.
No. Oh my
I just saw what
Plug
happened.
it back in. We need this footage.
Dude, the whole house. What if the whole... Oh, there's no lights on in the house. Oh my god.
Oh, man, I'm a horrible cameraman,
Are you
guys.
sure I should plug this thing back in?
No.
Content.
Thing just blew up in my hands.
We turn off the freaking power.
I know, that happened. Okay, hold on. Hopefully explosions don't happen in your hands, like shown. That's what not to do.
That's what not to do, guys.
Yeah, we're professionals, so that's, yeah.
We
We've been doing this for 14 years.
The next step is to dye out the freaking videos.
It's copyrighted.
Yeah, copyright content. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They freaking shocked my hand and my veins are all popping.
So basically, the most important step is you can't survive like what is it, like 3 days without water?
I think it's 3 seconds.
Oh my gosh. You just vanished into the darkness.
Okay, so anyways, so we're doing some more basketball shots. That's the only thing I'm known for. And I hook shot it, right? And like,
Dude, did you hear the gunshots again?
yeah, we got those too. Oh, as soon as we went there and it smelled like complete trash. Whoa. Oh, but so anyways, we went there and we looked back, you know, it was like a figure. I called it Casper as a joke, and that's just kind of what stuck. But then, like, it got louder, and then gunshots happened, and then we heard, like, a squeak.
Casper got shot up, what you're saying, huh? Oh, Merc is coming in with the step 4. What's step 4, Merc? After water, what do you do?
Some food.
You steal that from a raccoon?
24-hour challenge by yourself.
I'm the camera guy.
All right, guys. So we just went over everything we have to do, and we're gonna go start LARPing now. So.
Anyways, AlleyCats, yeah, we're gonna start LARPing here. I hope you enjoyed yet another video from or produced by TeamAlleyCats, and I guess we'll see you till next time.
Next time.
And stop.
Bye bye.
That's always fun.
Bye, guys.
It's good.